Grandfather, I'm so happy to be back in my dear mountains.
I know exactly what you mean. I am too, Heidi. I am too.
Next stop, Dorothy! Dorothy!
Let's get ready.
We stop for
It was
5
very
minutes.
kind of the Sesamans to give us these suitcases.
Yes. Joseph! Oh, yes, you big dog. I'm so pleased to see you.
Yes, I'm happy to see you too,
Heidi!
my big dog.
I've missed you so much. Buongiorno, grandfather. Allora, are you better?
I've never felt so well in all my life.
My father's waiting for you at the manor with a delicious bacon soup.
That's perfect. I could eat a horse.
You can see that he's got his appetite back.
It'd be a good idea to put some wheels on this suitcase. That way, I think it would be much easier to carry.
Wheels on suitcases. Why not put some under your shoes while you're at it?
So tell me, what's been happening here?
Everybody va bene.
The goats aren't too cold?
Oh, no. What about Frankfurt? How was it?
Really good. We had some amazing adventures.
And did Peter find his father?
Oh, yes, I must tell you about it.
Ah, my friends. Welcome back home.
Hello, Francesco.
Hello, Heidi.
Hello, Francesco.
Hello, Ernst. How are you feeling?
Very well. It took me a few weeks to recover from the operation, but now I'm completely cured.
That's fantastico. Ernst,
Is something wrong, Francesco?
I'm afraid I have some very bad news. A while ago, there was a big avalanche. Your chalet has been destroyed.
Huh?
Huh? What?
I'm so sorry.
I need to see that.